Let's talk about cheating. And you know, when we cheat, and we've all done it, it feels so good. But, of course, there are consequences when we cheat. Before we go any further, before you misunderstand what I'm talking about, on cheating, I don't mean cheating in bed. And I'm not talking about cheating on a test in school. I'm talking about when we cheat ourselves. You know, during holiday time or when we're stressed, what do? We indulge. This past weekend, Valentine's Day, candy, the juicy turkey, the drinks and alcohol. And as we know, the consequences are more numbers on the scale. So I'm here to show you today that when you cheat, there's a great way to make up with yourself. So you ready? Let's go. So, the best remedy after cheating yourself is going to the gym or grabbing something to work out and start by doing this. Because when you eat, it goes here and here. So, get it on for about 5 minutes. Let me crank this up a little bit and move your body. 4 sets, 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's the next one. Either before you start or in the middle, better in the beginning. Do your twirls, get the shoulders a little bit warm. To the front about 12 to 13 times. And then to the back. So here, we're gonna do a little bit of a combination because when you eat, it combines here, 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 all over. So I set up a little bit of a station so that it doesn't take too long, a combination of workouts. I like to start off with your chest because that's in my age when it starts to hang. So then we jump off into some curls for your biceps. Okay, right side. Left side. Also for the chest, there's different ways you can do this. Inside or outside. We're doing outside. Now I'm saying I'm sorry for cheating. All right, so, okay, we're gonna keep with the curls, but these are not the typical curls where you would curl it. You're just pulling it up. I'll show it to you. You've seen it before in other clips. It's like you stand here to the front, pull up and down, pull up and down. Pull up. The other side. myself today with the camera. So we're doing the pull down. Some people take it so, I pull it on the inside. Okie dokie. So pull it down to your chest, go up slowly. Good, huh? Now, same as far as the bench press, but I'm changing the level, raising it up a little bit. And still on the out, turn my head around. So as I said, all what you've seen until now is a cycle. Starting with walking, doing the Stairmaster, coming here doing this, but there's one most important one. I'll show you, check it out. We can't forget the triceps. That's your biggest arm muscle, I think you all know that. So we come over, I like to combine everything. It's working with the chest, working with the legs, biceps and triceps, pretty much all the time. So, focus. I sometimes put one foot to the front, one to the back, come up to about here, down. Then we do the other side, one foot to the back. And just say I'm sorry for cheating on you. Oh, feels so good. Okay, I'll turn a little bit to the side so you can see another angle. It's like called drawing the sword. Put your hand about here and go straight up. Right. And I'll show you from the back. When you have cheated on yourself and you enjoyed that turkey, the cake and pie and mashed potatoes or whatever you guys eat, when you cheat, the best way to make up is laying down and coming back up. Let's go. And then you have to treat both sides. So, I think you got the number, you got the message. We got one more. Then it's time to cheat another way. With food. Just close it up with some of my favorites. Little shadow box. Gives you full power in case you need to swing the guns. Basically, you just grab it. I think I've showed you that in another video. Get in your stance, get low, put up your guard, and starting with the right one. Switch other sides. So, I think we had enough of cheating for today, or amending for the cheat. So, keep it up. Don't stop. When you cheat, say I'm sorry. Okay. I'm 64 now. I'll be going on 65. Now, I'm gonna check my weight and see what it says. See how much it's been lying. My phone is heavy. We'll try it again without the phone. Now, when you look at that, I hope you could get some good inspiration and tips. And before closing off, I'd like to remind you, please consult with your trusted physician before doing any exercises or fitness. Always drink water. Hydrate yourself. We're over 60% water or fluids. And warm up and warm down. Stretch. And don't forget, when working out, you're doing it for yourself and no one else, unless you're getting paid for it. I'd like to also add, we still have our Fitness Buddy one-on-one sessions for those who may be interested to meet with a fitness buddy. And, it's not like a typical fitness training, but we do have certified fitness trainers. It's all about walking together, talking together, jogging together, fitness together. And some of our clients, they like to exchange some of their issues at work or privately. They enjoy just talking to someone like a buddy, and that's what it's all about, Fitness Buddy. So remember, when you cheat, enjoy, and then make up with yourself. Like, share, and subscribe, and take care. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.